Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Alfa Romeo 8C Competizione and this is by Hotwheels from their Forza series and this is from the 2023 series. So okay, this is the last one in the series, 5 out of 5. So let's unbox this and see how this one looks. So back then I bought this for MRP, the older MRP which was 249. That was honestly better guys. Okay, so here is the card art. Let me put this aside. Okay, here is the casting itself. Okay, honestly, out of the box, this is a glittery gray and it looks really beautiful. I mean, it's been so long since I seen a gray color Hot Wheels, or in general any brand diecast cars with this particular color scheme like this gray color, and it was really well done. So this is a glittery gray and it is really beautiful, and it has interior detailing to it. Again, they tinted it out. They tinted this windshield out. It has wiper detailing here, which is really nice. I really wish they could have gone with clear, at least that blue uh, acrylics for the windshields. Okay, so the headlights are painted, and you can see the logo. Logo here, it is messed up again. Okay, it has the fog lamps and everything. Okay, and it has tail light detailing here. Again, the logo here. It looks there is something there, but doesn't feel like a logo. So the rims on this, it looks good. At least this rim is something different compared to the others which they normally do. And the body is fully metal and the chassis is plastic. The chassis has a little bit of detailing to it, and you can see the exhaust here, the exhaust tips. Okay, and what else I'm missing here? Okay, so let's weigh this casting now. It is very small actually. Okay, 32 grams, not bad. So I personally love the paint job on this one, and even the rim, the tint on the rim that actually matches with this gray color. So they could have matched this red with this one. They didn't do that. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, it rolls good. It may not be the fastest or too good in rolling, but it does its job. The rear wheel wobbles a lot, but still it does its job, so there is no issue in there. Okay, so now let's rate this casting. So I really don't see any issue with the casting, so 10 out of 10 for this one. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.